Now on to our SLM investment areas in three pieces or three sections. First, ServiceMax, next, Servigistics, and then finally, Arbortext. So in ServiceMax, we have a generally available GenAI large language model assistant that helps service technicians converse with ServiceMax. Next, this year, we'll introduce Asset Hub to do asset management of serviced assets in the field. And then next, we're also going beyond FSM. So ServiceMax traditionally has been for field service. We're actually going to now make ServiceMax applicable in places like depots and dealerships. And then finally, we're working to close the loop, meaning close the loop between ServiceMax and specifically Windchill. Moving on to Servigistics. We're working on decision optimization with both machine learning and GenAI. We're trying to improve planner productivity with new usability features. And we're introducing sustainability modeling and optimization for spare parts out in the field. And then finally, in Arbortext, we're enhancing the digital thread, meaning the integration of Arbortext into the middle of Windchill with the ability to deliver information to both manufacturing and to service.